Hello friends, Namaskar. I welcome you all to the next session of Gurukul Swadhyay. Friends, this session is particularly planned for demonstration of how to make Panchagavya. That is because, when last time I told us about using Panchagavya or using Panchagavya daily, various audience asked us how to prepare Panchagavya. So, today I am requesting you to please give a demonstration on how to prepare Panchagavya at home.
Okay.
Please.
Number one, what is Panchagavya?
Yeah.
Panchagavya means 5 different products from the cow.
Okay.
So what are the 5 different products from the cow? One is milk,
Mm-hmm.
and you have cow dung,
Okay.
cow urine,
Mm-hmm.
curd or buttermilk, and cow...
Prepared from
Yes.
cow milk.
Yeah, it is cow ghee, that is
Pure cow
the
ghee.
butter, right, melted
Yeah.
butter. Along with that, I have also taken 2 more ingredients, that is honey and sugar,
Sure.
which
Okay.
we'll see afterwards.
Okay.
Now, why Panchagavya is because many people nowadays have many diseases which are called as non-pathogenic. Amongst them, most important are constipation, hypertension, diabetes, and there are many diseases related to brain also, like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, depression, and so many others.
Correct.
Although they are termed as non-pathogenic diseases, they are because of the diseased microbes in our system.
Okay.
Now, all those diseased microbes, how they are diseased, I have already explained in our earlier video. All those diseased microbes, we cannot repair them. We cannot replace them, we cannot kill them, we cannot throw them out.
Correct.
But we can increase the number of good bacteria in our body.
Okay. Yeah. And that is with the help of this Panchagavya.
Correct. So now what Panchagavya gives, we, in our system, we have a teaching that the cow which grazes in the jungle,
Okay.
so she is selective about what food she takes.
Okay.
You are not tying her up in a tabela and feeding what you feel is right for her.
Okay.
You are not giving her diet which is decided by a veterinary doctor.
Okay.
She is choosing what is to be eaten.
Okay.
And she is not on any external medicine.
Okay.
She is not given any medicines for her survival.
Okay.
So that type of cow has a flora which I call as a universal flora, which is good for all the animals on the earth.
Okay.
Not only human beings. And for our system, that's the best flora.
Okay.
Now, we are very lucky because we can get these components in our country very easily. It's not difficult. Even in a place like Mumbai, you can get them. So, this is milk, cow dung, cow urine, buttermilk, ghee, and I have some more components. Now, the question which I am going to demonstrate right now is that only thing is I advise nowadays that instead of adding cow urine into the Panchagavya, you take it separately because it has a very pungent smell.
Okay. Yeah.
Whereas all other things which you add, they will taste as good as Panchamrut which we use in our puja.
Exactly.
So it is pleasure taking Panchamrut, as you all know, and therefore this I advise that you take it separately and Panchagavya without this, all that as like a Panchamrut, you drink daily morning, you will be getting not in a day's time. It may take a couple of months to build up your good flora.
Okay.
And already if some diseases are occurring, you may have to take some good treatment for them. Not good treatment means something which will cure.
Yes. That is additional to.
Additional. So we take about 25 ml of milk.
Okay.
It should be lukewarm. It should not be cold.
Okay.
You don't take it
It
out.
should not be from freeze.
It should not be frozen.
Okay.
You have to take. And you add a couple of drops of cow dung. I have added some water in it in order to make it thin. Because you need hardly few bacteria to give a culture.
Okay.
When you are putting curd inside milk for curdling, you are using only a spoon.
Correct.
Okay. So like that. Cow urine, you can take 1 spoon. I am not taking it right now. As I told you that we will drink it separately. Then why buttermilk and why not curd? Because if suppose you have a curd, and it has particles.
Okay.
It particles. So for culture, you must mix it properly.
Correct.
And then add so that even distribution of bacteria takes place.
Okay.
They are not coagulated at one place. So you add buttermilk.
Okay.
As enough to set it as a curd.
Okay.
Now you also add, just as you make Panchamrit at home, you add ghee.
1
The
tablespoon.
question is how much ghee to be added, how much honey to be added. These things are not that important because when you are making Panchamrit at home, we don't measure it in terms of grams and milligrams and things like that. You know, everybody has, I mean, I may put something more or less, it really doesn't matter.
Correct.
What
It's
matters
on
is-
your judgment.
Yeah, what matters is that you must have these components,
Exactly.
5 components, okay? And I add some little bit of sugar so that it is like Panchamrit. It is a pleasure to,
And this is mixed.
yes, you just mix it. It's a pleasure to drink. If you drink it every day, I will give you, you can set, just taste it and tell me whether it has any bad taste.
Not really. It's really good. It is like, what is
It's
that?
like Panchagavya.
Satyanarayan Puja Tirth.
Correct. So it's Panchamrit. Now people are asking that if I don't get all these things ready, what do I do? So there are alternatives which you can observe that what you want. You want those bacteria which are there in milk, cow dung and curd or
Curd.
buttermilk. Because cow urine is sterile. It doesn't have any bacteria.
Okay.
When you are talking about growing the culture, you need to have bacteria. And the bacteria are in these 3 components.
Okay.
So these 3 components have been added. You just allow it to set.
Okay.
You allow it to set and then you can use that as a culture for your further
So that will actually get converted into a curd.
curd.
Okay.
And that
And
curd
that curd
can be used or that buttermilk can be used for preparing Panchagavya daily.
Okay.
Okay.
So what I understand is you take that curd, dilute it. That means
Make
make
a
a chas.
buttermilk.
Make a buttermilk of it.
Right.
Then add
Other ingredients,
other ingredients like
ghee, milk,
milk,
yeah.
and
Honey and sugar are
and sugar.
optional if you want to
If
have
you
it.
want to add. Okay.
And then drink it daily.
Okay.
It should be lukewarm, it should not be very cold because it has to set. And this is acting as culture only. That means you are going to take your food and that food is going to convert into so many bacteria because they will grow on your food.
Exactly.
So for that purpose you need to take it as a culture.
Great. Thank you very much, Tai. And friends, Tai has demonstrated us the process to make a Panchamrit, Panchagavya Panchamrit. Okay. And Tai has recommended to take it daily. Okay. It is helpful to our health. We will continue to get a lot of knowledge and lot of information from Tai on our Gurukul Swadhyay. But today we will stop here. Okay.
Sure.
And thank you very much for joining us. We will meet once again next time. Thank you.